Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send money from Cashapp to Chime. So for that, you need to have a Cashapp in your mobile phone. If you don't have it, just go to the Play Store or your Apple Store to launch it. And once you're done installing it, just click on your application and come to the home screen. And there you have to click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen. And from here, just scroll down a bit and click on linked banks. And after that, just click on link debit card, and here just click on no cards. So to send money from your Cashapp to Chime, you need to link your Chime account to your Cashapp account. And here just click on continue and search for your Chime account and enter all the details. And once you click on it, it will ask you to confirm and log in to your Chime account. And once you complete logging in and verify with all your details, that's where your Chime will be linked to your Cashapp and will be able to transfer money from Cashapp to Chime. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.